Okay. Okay. We are doing another burping contest, and we both got Sprite. So it's another brother-sister battle, Sprite. Because we just feel like doing it. A Halloween version, we didn't upload it yet. It will be coming. It has like 4 or 5 of us in it. So yeah. Anyway, we're gonna open. It's not open yet. So we're gonna crack them open. Okay, mine's open. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Ew, that was weak. Mm. Oh. Oh, I dribbled. Oh. What? My name is. Oh. Are you done? Sounds like you. I'm done.